Today, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline in Microsoft Teams and set a status duration. This is really useful when you need some uninterrupted focus time but still want to keep Teams open in the background, or when you'd like to let your colleagues know you're away for a specific period without constant notifications. Let's start by looking at the top right corner of your Teams window. You'll see your profile icon there, which typically shows your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to all your presence and status settings in Teams. Once you click your profile icon, you'll notice your current status displayed. By default, it usually says available with a green indicator. Click on this status label. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several presence options that you can choose from. Now, you'll see a list of status options appear, including available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, away, and importantly, for what we're doing today, appear offline. Go ahead and select appear offline from this menu. When you choose this option, your status indicator changes, and to other users in your organization, you'll appear as if you're not currently signed into Teams. However, you'll still be able to use Teams normally on your end, checking messages and staying connected without broadcasting your online presence. Now that you're appearing offline, let's set up a status message with a specific duration. Look for the option that says Set Status Message and click on it. This feature allows you to add a custom message that explains your availability to your teammates. In the text field that appears, type in your status message. For example, you might write something like "I'm away" or any other message that accurately reflects your situation. This message will be visible to others when they try to reach you, giving them context about your availability. Next, you'll want to set how long this status message should remain active. Look for the field labeled Clear Status Message after and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several time duration options. You'll see choices like today, 1 hour, 4 hours, and this week. Select the duration that best fits your needs. This is particularly helpful because you won't have to remember to manually clear your status later. The system will handle it automatically based on your selection. After you've chosen your preferred duration, click the Done button to save your settings. Your status message is now active and will automatically clear after the time period you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully set yourself to appear offline in Microsoft Teams while also adding a helpful status message with an automatic expiration. Your colleagues will see your message if they try to contact you, and after your chosen duration, Teams will clear it automatically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.